Just enjoy being here every year. Awesome. Appreciate you guys coming out. You guys want to give them a big hand? We're going to get this thing going. Here, my man!
Excited about this?
Yes, we are.
Here's the driver.
Mete que aqui não engravida. Mete que aqui tem medicina. Aqui não é otária, aqui não tem vida oprimida. Mas só para você que bebe fumo e cheira cocaína.
8-inch to 22-inch air ride system, 4-link front and rear. Some performance upgrades. Speakers in the bed. Laramie, limited Laramie interior. That's it, pretty much.
What kind of horses we getting here?
About 700.
Who's the driver here?
That guy over there.
You driving this?
340 Chrysler. Yeah, it's an old drag motor I had. Drag race motor.
You ready for this today?
Oh yeah.
You have done this before, right?
Yeah, this is my third year.
Oh.
I would have won last year, but I popped a radiator hose, so they disqualified me, you know?
Good luck.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
I appreciate it.
Spinning on a midnight run, tailpipes roaring like a shotgun, full moon hanging like a stage light glow, got the crew in the back, ready to roll. We don't slow down when the lights turn red, kick it up loud or leave it unsaid. If the night's calling, we ain't going under. We were born
the top look good. Yeah.
Yeah.
So how we did? Qualify?
I don't think so.
How that works, by the way? How the
They go by the tip-in, the amount of pad that you use,
when you go behind that little
square box.
Square box.
That's extra points. You get extra points if you.
so you got to go in there and don't touch the walls, basically.
Right.
Okay.
That shows your driver's skill. Put it in reverse, that's a DQ.
What about when you are touching the wall?
If you have to back up, then
Then you got to back up. So
yeah.
you're.
And if you move the wall and they have to move it back to where it originally was, that's a DQ too.
So how are we doing here? You look impressive. You blow a lot of smoke from the sides.
Did I?
Yeah.
It didn't look impressive from the inside. No, I don't think so. There's a lot of better cars here than me.
What kind of motor you have in there?
I have a 5.3 liter in it.
Oh.
It's out of a Tahoe. It's in the front.
Oh, the motor's on the front?
Yeah.
Can I see it?
Yeah, it's a lot.
Whoa. That's very impressive.
So it's sitting on a Chevy S10 frame.
I see.
Yeah.
So it's like a resto motor.
Yeah.
Kinda.
If I put it on the Volkswagen pan, it would just fall right through.
Yeah. Very clever.
Thank you.
Burnout Nationals!
Took to build this master.
About 6 months.
What it cost a project like this?
A lot. You could buy a house.
A quarter?
Yeah, about that.
About a quarter?
Broken lines blur as I pass, moments flash in a pool of glass. Dreams cascade under the overpass, chasing shadows that never last. Hitchhikers wave, but I roll on. Every mile feels like a song. Engines roar until the dawn. Journey's here until it's gone. I ride the roads, no path to follow. Where I'm headed, but ain't feeling hollow. Heartbeats shake like heavy thunder. Life's a wild ride, I just wonder. Feel the rush, feel the power.
Color Queen, huh?
Yep.
Where are you guys coming from?
It's New Jersey.
How many pounds?
498 pounds. Yeah, so it would have more speed if I switched it. Right now they're the wrong way. That's my fault.
So what he said, just get some plates for another truck and put them on.
There's some place.
One thing, you know, you might as well.
The wheels, the 4 wheels, about 18,000, and the tires, they're about 5,000, 5,500.
Saturday night, country high, feeling alive under southern skies. Bonfires burning, spirits in flight, living for these carefree nights. Saturday night, country high, dancing in the fields, no need to hide. Life's a party, let the good times roll. Country rhythm, heart and soul. Bonfires crackling, stories unfold. Tales of love, tales of old. Guitar strumming, singing loud and clear. Lost in the music, got nothing to fear.